Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your FIFA Mobile account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've open your FIFA Mobile application and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. Once you're inside this main homepage, after logging in, tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see account deletion button at the bottom right. Tap the arrow right next to account deletion and then go through the terms and conditions first. It says that deleting your account will permanently delete all relevant information from your FIFA Mobile account, including deletion of game data and progress, deletion of your account balance, purchased items, unfriending of your friends, disbandment or handover of your league. If you're sure you'd like to delete your account, tap continue at the bottom. Remember that the process of deleting your account cannot be undone and you'll be deleting your account permanently. So if you're sure you'd like to delete it, tap on this little box at the bottom and tap on delete in the pop-up. Tap on continue to confirm your account deletion. And that is how you can easily delete your FIFA Mobile account with a few simple steps. Tap on the continue button to get back to the login screen. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.